Hi everyone, it's Gail, and it's day 13, July 13th of the hashtag Jelly Postcard Play Challenge by Ceri the Crafter. And today we're going to do the whack and stack technique. I've already got them all torn and ready to go, and I think down the month somewhere we will have two more. So if you haven't watched Whack and Stack, just search Gail Augustinelli stack and whack. Search that and the video should come up. So let's get started on this one. I think I was trying to decide if I wanted to distress the edges. This one's so dark it wouldn't show, so we'll get it down. And then maybe I'll do the others. So yeah, if you haven't done the whack and stack, it's lots of fun. So I do recommend it. Stack and whack. Why do I keep saying whack and stack? Stack and whack. You got to stack it first before you whack it. That's how it needs to go. Okay, so I'm going to line up the corner, and if we're off a little bit, I'll show you what I do to pull it together, but it looks like it's going to go right on there just great. Okay, we've got a bit of a white edge here, so I'm going to distress that whole thing. Okay. All right, so let's just pop this on that edge. Okay, so there's our background. So we're going to have a very simple foreground. I want to be able to see all these three different patterns and colors and stuff. So I am just going to use this ticket that has the 13 on it because we're to put the date on each one. And using my little garden catalog as a glue page here. Okay, let's just going to kind of pop that at the intersections. Little butterfly, we're going to get it inked up. Okay. And where do we want that? I think I'm going to put it right at the intersection of the various patterns of jelly prints. Okay. Like so. And we've got the 13th of July done. So there's that one. So thanks so much for watching. Have a grateful day. Be kind always, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.